Cheryl?
I'm having a good day.
Yeah,
Got
me
some rain,
too.
so-
Yeah. A lot of rain, but we're still okay. The sun's supposed to be out by 1 o'clock, he said. So, but I don't know if that's island time or if that's the ship time. So we'll figure it out. All right, guys, we made it to Infinity Bay, which is a private resort that you can come to for the day. It's about $40 US, and Charlie definitely is a great connection for that. So if you are just wanting to come, you can arrange for somebody to pick you up at the cruise terminal area or right outside the cruise terminal area, depending on what cruise line you're on. And then he can make arrangements to drop you off here at the resort and pick you back up. And that is all within the package that he can customize for you. And it's absolutely a gorgeous place. And there's so many beautiful things to see. There's a full bar, swim-up pool. Wow, gorgeous, eh?
Except for the rain that's happening.
Yeah, the rain is still, it's coming and going, and but the sun is starting to pop out. We're still enjoying ourselves either way. For $40, that pool, you can't beat it. I mean, just bring your beach towel with you and pay the resort fee and enjoy this place. It's absolutely gorgeous. And of course, I'm showing you right now all of the beautiful landscapes this place has to offer, because it's one of the premium locations here on the island. All right, guys, we'll come back in just a second. We're headed to have some lunch, and of course we'll bring you along, and then we're going to go where?
The Rum Factory.
The Rum Factory, yeah. So we're going to do some more sights, and of course we'll bring you guys along. See you in a few.
Soon.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at the view you have from here. And yeah, so Charlie has done this up again, hasn't he?
Yeah, the rain stopped, so we're having some nice sun breakthrough. So
yes,
it's been great.
Liquid sunshine cleaned up the area, and now we're headed to go have some lunch. All right, so let's go.
Local food. So
yeah,
we'll
local food. We'll
Bring
see.
you along.
There we go. See you soon.
So when you're coming to Mahogany Bay, please make sure that you do come and see the Rum Factory, and this wandering spirit that they offer is truly an excellent by itself drink. Highly recommend it.
Yeah, that looks delicious, Chris. All right, guys. See, even my friends are enjoying their time here. I'm glad that you guys are watching. Now is a good time for me to ask, hey, if you haven't done so, hit that like button. It really makes a difference. And if you haven't, subscribe. It's worth it. I promise. We're doing a lot more. We'll see you guys soon. So we made it to Ocean View Restaurant, which is located right over this beautiful view. You have to see this view. Look at that view. Well, welcome back. And I just wanted you guys to know that we're having an amazing experience at this restaurant. And our waitress, she's very popular here. And I just happened to mention, would you like to be on YouTube? And the reason why I say that is that she wanted to say something. So I have a couple questions, but she's going to tell me all about this place. And I'm going to tell you, the views here are phenomenal, but the restaurant food, and I'll show you right here, is phenomenal. You have to come here and try it. But what do you like about this restaurant yourself?
Oh, I love the view. That for sure. That is the main thing about this restaurant, even though the name is Ocean View.
Yeah.
Like common sense will say it.
That's right. And I'll tell you what, it doesn't need that. The food is phenomenal. How would you get here?
We get here in a cab,
Okay.
or we could take the bus,
Okay.
but it will only leave us at the entrance. It doesn't
Right.
come straight up.
Tennis shoes to get up here.
Yeah.
Don't wear your high heels, but it's worth getting all the way up here because when you do, I'll show you some of the views right here. But the ships aren't far away. So if they get on the ship and they get off the ship and they're staying in Mahogany Bay or either one, they can take a cab straight here, huh?
Yeah, the taxi drivers, everyone, and even the tour guides know where we are located.
Oh, that's fantastic. So what is your favorite meal here?
Oh, I love the coconut shrimps.
The coconut
and
shrimps?
the pescado garifuna.
Oh my gosh, we did try the pescado,
Pescado,
here. Yeah,
yes.
that was outstanding. And the fish and chips, I'm going to tell you, they were super light with panko and fresh lime on top. And the slot, I eat it with the fish. I'm telling you, it's phenomenal, phenomenal. Yeah. So anything else you want to share?
Well, we are here located in Gravel Bay.
Okay.
This is the community of Gravel Bay. It's mostly where the English people, you will find them here.
Oh wow.
Because we all over like the side coast.
That's
like
cool.
more inner for the island are the Spanish people.
I see.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, I'll tell you what. Roatan Charlie brought us here. He's a good friend of mine, and he told us we had to come here. So obviously he did it right. So we want to thank you for your service too.
Thank you for
Yeah,
coming.
of course.
Bye bye guys. This is Swandy Coleman. Whatever you want to come to Ocean View, you can look for your girl here.
That's right. All
Yeah.
right. Thank you again.
You're welcome.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Same.
Bye bye.